The project name is Cable Car Ropeway Model. In this project, we are using two pulleys and a rope to carry two passenger cabins. This is one cabin and this is the other. These are the two pulleys, which is a ground pulley and this is hilltop pulley. Using these two pulleys, transportation is possible for hilly regions where it is difficult to lay roads, and this is also one of the cheapest transport. Now let us see its operation. This pulley is connected through a gear motor which is mounted beneath this pulley, and this is operated using this battery. We have to touch this battery momentarily till this cabin moves from the lower side of the hill to the top of the hill. Now we have to operate it momentarily. Like this we have to operate. Okay.